Hi, we are Team Global Market and we have 5 members in our team, Deepali Upadhyay, Kanika Jain, Rency Joseph, Shefali Munjal and Jasmeet Singh. Let's just go through the basic structure of our marketplace website. So our marketplace website is called globalmarket.com and it integrates the products from these 5 websites, namely Cafe Social, which is an online cafe shop, Travel Swags, which is an online travel company, Summer Camps, which lists down the different summer camp options, the Rainier Adventure, which is another travel company that offers adventure travel options, and a bookstore which offers a variety of books on different fields of software. So we have basically curled the data from each website into our marketplace website, the globalmarket.com. Now let's look at the architecture diagram of our marketplace website. So from the home page, we can navigate to the services, the contact us page, about and login and sign up pages. We can also view the cart. Now if we click on the product and services page, we can just look at the individual product and services which are offered by different websites on that page, and if we click on any of the product or services, we'll just go to the individual service or product page where we can actually order the product and add it to the cart and order it. So this is the basic structure, and let's just look at the website now. So the features which we have added to this marketplace are that the user can directly go to the login page where they can register and log in into the marketplace. Then we have this services page, as we have already spoken about, which lists down different services where we can actually go to each of the services and the user can actually add a review and a rating of the product. They can just rate the product, add the review, and those reviews they will be shown in the page. Then another feature which we have added is that we have the presentation of the top 5 products and services in each member company. Then we have the presentation of the top 5 product and services in the whole marketplace. And the extra features that we have added are the cart. So if you go on the services page and you go on any product or service page, you can just add that to the cart and you can just check it out. You can just go ahead and check it out by you're paying for it. Then another feature which we have added is we have added the presentation of the top 5 products and services in each member company by the rating which we have received. And also we have done the Facebook integration where you can just go and like our website, and also we have done the Twitter integration. You can just tweet and share about the website. So as we were working on this project, we faced a lot of challenges, mainly because there was cross-domain cookie sharing between the websites for tracking the recently visited, and it was difficult to do so. Then we had to do the styling to make it look as professional as possible, and combining 5 different websites with 5 different looks into one was pretty challenging. Then another challenge which we faced was during the implementation of rating. We didn't find enough resources and we didn't find enough information to implement the star rating initially, but then after research we were able to do it. Then the biggest challenge we faced was the coordination of the 5 product websites with their separate databases and their separate hosts, and then exposing and then accessing all the data through curl. So this project was was a very good learning experience for all of us, and we were able to overcome all these challenges by not repeating ourselves, and we tried to keep the code as modular as possible and then calling the modules whenever they were required. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and it was a great learning experience. Thank you.
Now let's go through a quick demo on the test cases. Our first test case is on clicking the services page, the products from all 5 websites should be displayed. So here we have come to globemarket.com. When we click the services tab on the menu, we go to a page which is displaying all the services from all 5 child websites. So these are the services from Reindeer Adventure Club, which is the first one. These are the services from Travel Swags, which is the second website. These are the services from Baybook Products, which is the third website. These are the products from Cafe Social Products, which is the fourth one. And finally, this is the Summer Camp Services, which is the fifth. So this test case has passed. Next, add rating and review for each product. So again, we go to Services tab, and from here we can select any product which you want to rate. Say I select this one and I come down to the rating section, give the number of stars and give my name and my rating and my review comments. And I click submit. So it came to a thank you screen. So this shows that our feedback has been submitted. So we go back to the services page. Our next test case is display all previous ratings and reviews. So let's go back to the product where we just wrote down the review. If we go down to the previous rating section, you can see that the new review has been added to the product. So yeah, so the third test case is also passed. The fourth one, use add to cart button on individual service pages. So if you go say to the same product page and we click any of the add to cart buttons, it should add that particular service to your cart. So say I add this cruise to the cart. So now it shows that this the new cruise has been added to the cart. I had also previously added climbing, so that is also there in the cart. So right now my cart has 2 items. If I click the continue shopping, I go back to the services page. The next one is checkout with PayPal. So for that, I go back to the cart, and from here, if you click the checkout with PayPal button, the site is redirected to the PayPal site. for login and then the payment. So let's go back to our site. So that was the 5th test case. Now the 6th one is, for every website in the marketplace, one product with the highest number of views should be displayed on the top 5 in the marketplace under top services. So if we look at the menu here, we have the top services, and if we click the top 5 in marketplace, here the top product of every website has been displayed. So this display is this for this top 5 we have considered the website with the highest number of views. So so every product, there is one product from each website. Okay, so there are 5 websites, 5 products. Okay, so after that, the 7th test case is, for every website in the marketplace, 5 products with the highest number of views should be displayed on the top 5 in per website under top services. So if we go to top services and click the top 5 per website, this one, so we can see that for every product, the top 5 services, again with the with respect to the number of views, has been displayed over here. So that was test case number 7. Now, as an extra feature, we have added the top 5 per website as per rating. So if you go here, this displays the top 5 products of each website with the highest rating. So that was test case number 8. Test case number 9, the recently visited page should display all products that were recently visited by the user. So now if we go to top services and we go to the recently visited page, it should show us all the products that we just visited. So if we see, these are the products that we just visited. So that was test case number 9. And finally, under the login, the user should be able to log in into the system after entering the correct credentials, and a new user can be created in the database or sign up. So here again on the menu section, if you click the login button and I click here for a new user, I can sign up. I give my name, I give some password, I give an email ID, I give an address, my home phone number, and say I leave the cell number and I say submit. It says that the fields with star need to be properly filled. Sorry, here the format is like this. So I submit this and I have been successfully added to the system. Now if I log in with user ID and my password, let's see if it allows me in. Okay, great. So here I have been logged in into the system. So these were the 10 test cases that we have for you. Thank you.